Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the ultimate Pro Scalper Indicator for MT4. This simple yet effective tool uses moving average calculations to identify trend reversals and continuations, displaying green and red diamonds for buy and sell signals along with trend power percentage. In this video, you will see how the indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The Ultimate Pro Scalper is a very easy to use indicator created by Karl Dittmann that uses the moving average as part of his calculations to determine market trends. The indicator plots green diamonds to suggest bullish momentum and red diamonds to illustrate bearish momentum, along with displaying the last signal and trend power percentage. The last signal shows the previous market trend, and the trend is considered stronger when the power is above 50%, helping traders assess the strength of current market conditions. You can already see it installed on the chart. You can see the red diamond and the green as well. On the chart, traders must look for green and red diamonds, which serve as the primary visual signs for potential trade entries. Whenever a green diamond appears, it signals a potential long entry, suggesting bullish momentum, while a red diamond signals a potential short entry, indicating bearish pressure. The indicator also displays buy and sell labels showing the current trend direction, acting as a guiding force where traders should wait for signals aligned with the labeled trend. As for the settings, let's take a look at what we have. You can customize the period value, SLR pips, TP. We can set alerts. We can also customize our preferred colors and time frames as well. As for who is for, the Ultimate Pro Scalper is suitable for traders who focus on all major currency pairs during the European and US trading sessions with recommended time frames of 30 minutes and 1 hour, though any time frame can be used. Its strengths include simple visual signals with color-coded diamonds, clear trend power percentage display, and ease of use, particularly for Karl Dittmann's followers. However, the indicator has a repainting nature, requiring traders to wait for candle close before acting on signals, and it should be used with additional confirmation tools rather than as a standalone system, requiring demo practice before live trading. You can download the Ultimate Pro Scalper Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how Karl Dittmann's moving average based tool with diamond signals and trend power display can provide straightforward scalping opportunities when used with proper confirmation. If you like simple scalping indicators with visual trend power metrics, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 tutorials.